What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm heading to McDonald's. I got an $8 to my order. Yes, from McDonald's. Sometimes I could get some really good payouts from McDonald's. I was literally about to pass it anyway, so we're turning in. I did a couple orders in Tampa. I had my Uber on while I was navigating over here towards Brandon, and my Dash doesn't start for like 45 minutes. So I was like, I might as well see what I could get until then. The kids are in school. If you've seen my last video, the summer slowdown is coming to an end. Hopefully. I delivered yesterday. It was okay. It wasn't more busy, but it wasn't as slow as it's been, so it's okay. I'm already at this McDonald's. Let's get that GoPro action. Hopefully I'm not waiting long. All right, upon further investigation, it is only for one meal, which is really strange to be an $8 payout. It must be a high base pay. Excuse me. All right, they're cutting down a tree, so we're like waiting for the flag man to turn it so we could go. But I am tracking my miles with the Solo app. Solo has a lot of useful features for us gig drivers. The smart scheduling for Uber or DoorDash is pretty slow right now, surprisingly. Maybe there's just a lot more drivers on the road, but check out Amazon Flex's guaranteed earnings. My husband's actually, he's done now, but he was doing Amazon Flex this morning. He actually enjoys it, and he wanted to take my GoPro and get some action. Maybe I can make a video, do like a little voiceover. But I told him, like, I need my GoPro for the pickup drop off action, because that's the action for my videos. So let me know if you guys would want to see him do some Amazon Flex. He's gonna be doing it more often. He enjoys it. I don't. I am terrified to be sent, you know, over the bridge to St. Pete or like 40 miles away. So let me know if you'd want to see like a random video of the pro doing some Amazon Flex. He's actually pretty freaking quick at it. He was supposed to be done in an hour and 20 minutes was when he was scheduled to, like, you know, his block would be done, and he's already home. Bruh, like, what? He is so freaking fast. $2 base pay. Okay, so they tipped $6 on a one meal for 2 miles? I mean, I appreciate it, but that's rare. All right, I just happen to not have any orders at this time. I'm passing this Walmart. If you've seen my last video, this Walmart tried to, oh, wow, they're dead. Ban my husband's account, and we're just gonna, I mean, I think I got lost, so I'm going to, oh wow, all the pallets are picked up. Crazy. I came back here because I'm lost. I gotta turn around, so I'm just gonna, all right, we're gonna drive back by, and I think this is the right way to get back to the front. I don't know. Yeah, this is the right way, so I didn't mean to go back there at all.
Road, then turn right onto
all right, I'm gonna decline
Road.
this one though. It's $11, but it's 9 miles. I accepted a $9 for 4 miles on DoorDash. Bro, stop it. All right, I'm gonna have to turn Uber off. Oh, that's probably it right there. Yep, it is. So y'all know I got my DoorDash bag, and Solo hooked me up with a hot bag as well, so I'm gonna start using this one. I wish they like sold it, or I don't know. Like, you can't get this, but I gotta represent my favorites app to use. So, and the building it brought me to does not look like 5. It's not the right number. Handed to me last building on the right. Oh, I hope it's this way. I thought I could get to both of them from here. Oh, this is not it. I guess I can come this way.
Oh wow, everybody comes around that way. Oh my gosh.
I couldn't tell which way. Oh.
I'm gonna have to put it, I probably should say on the right side of the building because there's no sidewalk over there.
Yeah, you said by the pond, so I just thought it was that way.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Alright, I can't show you the screen because it shows their address like twice. But I'm trying to end the order and it says, you don't look like you're at the right location. Because it pinpointed me literally 8 buildings that way. I'm gonna pass it anyways. I have to drive down there to where it pinpointed before I could end it. Isn't that crazy? So let's see, where did it bring me to? Right up here. Wait, I'm not even there yet. Dang. 4. Let me just see if I can do it. Complete. Okay. I had to literally be where it pinpointed me. All right, we got another banger at McDonald's. Sitting there. Best believe I got that picture. All right, we got some Zaxby's action. Don't get it confused with the Zaxby's in the other area. Oh, thank you.
I didn't see it.
Ali. Alright. I bet it's the apartment where the kids are looking out the window. Alright, y'all know the drill. I had to reward myself with a Diet Coke. I'm just kidding, but like I ran out of stuff to drink, so I was like, I need to get me a Diet Coke. I'm trying to get like one last order, but the 2 offers I got were like really far miles for little money. So I had to decline those. But I seen somebody talking about this screen where when you get onto DoorDash, they now have where you have to take a picture, just like how Uber Eats does sometimes. Periodically you have to take a picture. Now apparently DoorDash is starting to do that. I haven't seen it in my area, but also like I kind of like this because there are so many accounts being used by people that aren't on the account. I've seen memes about this on Reddit where the girlfriend will make an account for the felon boyfriend to use, and it's like, this needs to stop. So this will definitely like slow it down a little. I mean, I know the boyfriend could just go home and get her to take a picture and then continue with his orders, but you know, anything at this point, it also cuts down on stolen accounts because you need their picture. And I also heard on Walmart Spark is doing this like more periodically, like between orders, and sometimes you even have to share a picture of your ID in order to keep getting more orders. So let me know what you think about that. So I'm going to head towards my area. I'm gonna leave Uber on. My Dash already stopped because I let it time out. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.